Hey, Jackson. Good morning. Hey, so looking at your question, so you wanted to know, how do I know what the force of friction is? Well, look at number 2. If you look at number 2, it says the gorilla pushes the box and it moves with a constant velocity. So since this velocity is constant, this means that the acceleration must equal 0. Well, according to Newton's second law, if acceleration equals 0, then that tells us that the net force must also be 0. If this is 0, then this must be 0. And if the net force is 0, then that means this 400 newtons has to have an equal and opposite force in this direction. And so the force must be 400 newtons. And what would supply that force? As the gorilla pushes the box across the floor, this 400 newtons is the force of friction. And so the net force on the crate is actually 0 for that. And then as you go down, down here, it says the force of friction does not change. So you use the same force of friction for the problems down below. Okay, I hope that makes sense.